Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make butter from whole milk easy guide. Start by chilling a quart of whole milk or cream, then skim the cream into a jar and agitate until fat clumps form. Drain the buttermilk and squeeze the solids in cheesecloth. Rinse the butter under cold water until clear, then add salt to taste and chill. A simple jar, stand mixer, or food processor will all work depending on batch size and patience, so pick what fits your kitchen. Keep cream cold until churning, but allow it to warm a touch to help fat clumps form faster. Save the buttermilk for recipes, salt the butter lightly, and store it in an airtight container in the fridge or freeze for longer storage. Quick recommendation: if you like cozy kitchen chores, consider upgrading small comforts like socks while you work. Find the pair seen here, a durable option with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfortable during long kitchen sessions. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals on useful gear. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If your butter seems greasy or soft, rinse it under cold water while needing to remove residual buttermilk and improve texture. For low yield, check that your cream has sufficient fat percentage, since higher fat cream produces more butter. Off flavors usually mean the dairy was past peak, so refrigerate immediately and discard if sour, and consider adding herbs or citrus zest for flavored batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.